Hi everyone, my name is Christy and oh my gosh, I am so excited to be unboxing the Spring Eczema Sample Store box. And this came at the perfect time for me because my skin has been giving me problems. It's been inflamed. I've been having eczema breakouts really bad lately. So I am so grateful to get these products. So if you're not familiar with the Eczema Sample Store or you didn't see my previous unboxing of their intro box, it's basically what the name is. So I love when the name of a company is just straightforward and it tells you what it is. But this is basically a subscription with so many skincare products to help people with sensitive skin that have eczema and skin conditions like that. And I personally have dealt with eczema my entire life. And I'm pretty sure when I got the previous box from Eczema Sample Store that I unboxed, I was having really bad eczema at that time too. And I have been loving the products in that, and they have really helped me. I featured some in my monthly empties video, but it's really been able to introduce me to other brands that I never tried before and to some of my absolute favorite brands that I need to help me with my eczema. So like Vanicream is one of them, but there's a lot of known brands in here, like very popular brands, but then also some brands that I never heard of. So I love getting a mix of types of brands. And I'm just dying to unbox this, but before I do, I just want to give a little bit more information and let you know that I do have a discount code. But so the spring box, which I have here, retails for $45, but I have a $5 off coupon code. So if you use the code Christy5 and use the referral link in the description down below, you'll save $5 off your first order and you'll get 2 bonus free products. But they also have a baby eczema box, which I think is so genius, and the eczema intro box, which they come with so many products. It says it's about $70 worth, but it just seems like such great value. When I show you everything in it, you'll understand. And so let's get into it. And I do want to thank Eczema Sample Store for sending me this box. I always like to let you know when something is sent to me for free. But this is not a sponsored video. I just really wanted to bring awareness to this brand, to this box, and share my unboxing. And if there's someone out there that's struggling with sensitive skin, eczema like I am, and this could help you, then that's what I want to happen, because it has really helped me and I understand the struggle so well about eczema. I love that they give product information, very helpful. Okay, oh my gosh, there are a lot of products in here and some really big products I'm seeing too. So like this one here, Cetaphil, like that's such a famous popular brand. And full-size product here of the new Soothing Gel Cream. This is seriously exactly what my skin needs right now. My skin is covered in bumps. Like it's just so rough right now, and like my inner legs are really itchy, I think from like chafing from the heat, and like my body is just struggling with sensitive skin, itchiness, rashes. So seriously, I'm so excited to get this. It says Allantoin Skin Protectant Body Lotion for irritated, stressed skin. Fast absorbing formula helps rescue, prevent, and relieve dry, cracked skin, paraben and fragrance free. Ooh, so then this is a brand that I'm not familiar with. The California Baby brand. So there's some good product info in there. And so this is the Calendula Cream for intensive moisturizing. Oh, for babies, kids, and adults. That's really great that babies can use these products too. And then this here is the, oh my gosh, Natural Bug Blend Bug Repellent, DEET-free, citronella, lemongrass, cedar. That is so smart because I am really not familiar with like better for you insect repellents. So that is really great. I'm definitely going to be trying that because when I take Dexter, my dog, out on walks in the evening, I get so nervous about mosquitoes. Then we've got some more samples in this bag here. This is one of the brands I was talking about that I love, Vanicream. This is Gentle Facial Cleanser. Also from Vanicream, my go-to favorite product probably ever in the world, the moisturizing cream for sensitive skin. I literally have a huge tub of it that I need to keep on hand at all times because that has just been the product that has really gotten rid of my eczema when it gets really bad. Then I also got from the brand Mugu their Skin Milk Udder Cream Natural Repair Moisturizer. And then from the brand Theraplex, this is the Clear Lotion Oil Moisturizer. It says nationaleczema.org accepted, National Eczema Association. And then also from Theraplex, the new anti-itch moisturizing cream. Oh, this has hydrocortisone 1%. Hydrocortisone is another type of product, ingredient maybe, that I really have found success with in relieving the itch from eczema and just kind of healing it. So Vanicream moisturizer and cortisone cream have been my personal solutions, but I love trying out new products to find ways to heal my sensitive skin. Ooh, another huge product. This is from the brand Sequel, which I'm not familiar with. Eczema Relief Cream. Perfect for sensitive skin. Cannabis-derived, dermatologist approved. 1% colloidal oatmeal skin protectant. Ooh. So it soothes and moisturizes dry skin with a blend of cannabis, sativa, sunflower, and safflower seed oils. Ooh, this also sounds so perfect for what I was talking about that I'm dealing with all over my body right now. Oh my gosh, I want to put that on right now. And then this here from the brand Balmain's Skin Salvation, an intensive ointment to nourish, protect, and moisturize dry skin. Also suitable for people who may be prone to eczema. 100% natural, so that's really cool. It's a pretty green color. Yeah, like just a little ointment tub here. Wow. This will be great for those targeted spots that are breaking out in an eczema rash for me. See, didn't I say that you get a lot of products in here? Next is from the brand Glad Skin with Micro Balance Eczema Cream Hypoallergenic Skin Protectant. Apply twice a day or more as desired. I seriously am feeling so grateful and relieved to have all of these products, to know when I am suffering from my eczema breakouts, I am now prepared to handle those. And that's, I think, one of the best things about this box is that peace of mind, because I mean, sometimes I can predict when I am going to be having an eczema breakout, like when I'm just living a lifestyle that's much more inflammatory. That's when it tends to happen the most to me. But I can't always control that, so I want to make sure I'm always prepared, because when you do have an eczema breakout, it's horrible. Oh, and I love that they also include gloves, because I would really get bad eczema on my hands and just dry hands in general. So if you put on like a nice thick cream on your hands and then put the gloves on, go to sleep, it'll really help soften and relieve your hands. Next, we have from the brand Eco Nuts Organic Laundry Detergent. What? How cool is this? Organic de-seeded Sapindus mucurosi soap berries, wash bag, and instructions. Okay, so this is kind of like the insect repellent that I never really thought about using a special kind for my skin, but oh my gosh, these are literally like little berries. See that? How interesting. Like, I just learned about a completely new product that I didn't even know existed. That is so cool. And there is still more. This is from the brand Bioderma Skin Barrier Therapy. And then we've got the Intensive Balm. It's in a different language, so it's kind of hard for me to tell, but this is a brand that I'm not familiar with, so I'm excited to try this out. And that is everything. Wow, there are so many products that come in this box. I am so excited to try these out. I definitely need these. So thank you so much to Eczema Sample Store. And I would love to hear in the comments down below if you have tried any of these products, what your thoughts are on them. And of course, I will keep you updated like in my monthly empties videos, letting you know how these different products have helped me with my skin. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.